guys, today we're gonna intercept the tornado. Whoops, wrong place. Wait for a while. I'm just gonna just go here. Alright, now we're ready. But you cannot hear me like a lot because I'm sounding a lot. I don't sound very good because I don't have a mic. I don't think you can hear me. Tornado's right over there. But I don't think you can see it because how foggy it is. Low quality. Oh wait, the cloud's so low. Anyways, we will turn into that other road right there.
Sa Riverside, kaya ang imo ID ng PWD lang sa Corazon Tuksin. Water.
So everybody's keep talking. By the way.
Ay ka lang, right?
Everyone is so loud in my place. Let's go turn over there on the other side. Stop. Turn. Tornadoes over there somewhere near the lake. No, a lake. Yeah, it's near a lake. Okay, we're gonna go in the intersection part. Okay. Oh well, let's go here. Then we can intercept the tornado. Tornadoes over there. Cutting down trees already. Don't know if it's okay. It's going a bit eastern. Going a little bit eastern, I think. Maybe we have to turn. Oops, sorry guys, I just moved to another place. Sorry guys, that might bother you a little. Maybe we're gonna hit the intersection place. It might sound a bit loud. It's over there. I might not survive this, but I hope so. Wait, I hope I survive this, by the way. Cutting trees already. Trees coming down. Going easternly now. A bit eastern. Yes, we had intercepted my 7th tornado, guys. It's on the floor now. I had intercepted the tornado. So guys, that was really great. Oh, looks like a scout got sucked in. A big scout the scout got sucked in, I think. Bye bye guys.